Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over observed 27th October as a Black Day today to express their utter rejection of 77 years of the illegal occupation of the motherland by India. The day was marked by anti-India and pro-freedom rallies in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and in the world capitals. Call for the observance of the Day of the Black Day was given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. It was on this day in 1947 when the Indian troops had invaded Jammu and Kashmir and occupied it in the blatant violation of the partition plan of the subcontinent and against the aspiration of the Kashmiris. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said Indian troops have martyred over 4 lakh Kashmiris, including more than 2,50,000 in the Jammu region since 27 October 1947 till date. More than 3.5 million Kashmiris were forced to migrate to Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and other parts of the world. The report said that the troops have martyred 96,364 Kashmiris since January 1989. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has reiterated its principal stand that the Kashmir dispute needs to be resolved as per the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement issued in Srinagar said lasting peace and stability and good neighborly relations between Pakistan and India are linked to the peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute. Anti-India protest rallies, seminars and the programs were held in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and abroad to mark the 27th October as the Kashmir Black Day. The participants of the events expressed solidarity with the oppressed Kashmiri people. Indian troops resumed a massive search operation in the Gulmarg Baramulla district. The operation, which was halted, has been intensified with the deployment of the drones and helicopters to scour the area and the nearby line of control in the Gulmarg sector.